Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can compress video without losing quality. So as you can see, this is my video and it's currently 10 megabytes. So let's check the size properties, and as you can see it's currently 10 megabytes. Now I'm gonna compress this. So for that, first open your browser. Once you have opened your browser, then go to Google search and here search for online video compressor and free convert. This is the site and we are going to compress our video from this site. Just click on that and here you can see choose file. Just click on this and select the file. Now you can see the file size is currently 10 megabytes and output will be MP4, and you can customize this setting from here. You can change the video codec format, you can change the compress method from here. Here you can see select target size, so you can increase or decrease the value. So after customize it, just click on apply setting and then just click on compress now. Now the video will be compressed and here you can see now right now it's uploaded. Now it will be compressing. Okay, now it's compressing. 5% done, 36% done. So now as you can see our video file compressed and you can see it's now right now 6.93 MB. It was 10.45 MB. So now you can download it. Just click on download. Now it will be download and here you can see it's downloading. So this is how you can compress video without losing quality. Thanks for watching. If this video helpful, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.